Hey my friends, how are you today? I got this one by Miniarts. So the new 75mm German anti-tank cannon. Looking really good too. So you get this cool box and it costs 40 Australian dollars, which is $10 cheaper than the Dustworks one, which was 50 Australian dollars, but you don't get any figures in this or anything like that. But we can have a quick look at the Dustworks one, which is basically a border one. I'll bring it over. I haven't finished working on the diorama. Let's just put it to the side to finish later. So I want to learn more about things, which I already have. But this is the Dustworks one. And what I'm reckoning is, I reckon this one's got a better scale. This one came with a lot of ammo. But it was only one type of ammo, so the ammo in this new one is better. I wouldn't get that Dustworks one. They're not the figures that came in the Dustworks kit. These are some resin figures. The resin figures are really good, but the figures that came with the Dustworks kit are a rework of an infantry kit by Dragon, and it's not really appropriate for a cannon. But let's have a quick look and see what's inside. So you get the wheels here. So it looks like we get this option. We get those ones, so those, you know, solid iron ones there. With some rubber tires. We get this is an ammunition box. And this would be the rear tire. So you don't get any real options there where you did in the Dustworks one. So the Dustworks one gave you 3 different options for wheels, and you also could get some broken up rubbery wheels, rubber bits. So that was a bonus with that. But looking at these look like they're in scale more. They look better scaled. This ammunition looks a hell of a lot more realistic. And of course they're slide molded out. So there's 1 plus each for the Dustworks and the Miniarts one. You get 3 boxes with the Dustworks Dragon one. Yeah, these look like they're in a different, better scaled. You can see you get a lot of detail with it, all these little parts to put on. Lots and lots of little parts. Another one with just small little parts on it. And then we get this. I like this here. That's cool. Get a couple muzzle brakes. That's the cannon there. And yeah, you get some broken up shovels and spades and all kinds of cool things. They look pretty good. It all does look actually pretty good. You get the choice of the round or the tapered. And then you just get a couple more of these little ones with a heap of shovels for some reason. And you also get a photo etch set, which is a bonus on the Dragon Dustworks one, because the Dragon Dustworks one doesn't have any photo etch at all. So you get this photo etch sheet. So that little front plate there is in photo etch. A lot of little clips and things by the looks of it. And you get a little decal sheet. Most of it's for the ammo. And you get one little sort of German cross there for one of the versions, and another one for tank kills, which is cool. And then we've got the instructions. So you get a proper instruction booklet. You get quite a few options. So we've got Army Group South, And that's the nice olive green, and that's got that German symbol on it. And then we've got one that's on the Don 42 Stalingrad, so this would be one of the first that were issued to the Germans. That's got that detail there. So we move along, we've got a parts count. Got that, and we've got all those. And then we start here, and you see that there's a lot of little detail to do. It's the usual sort of Miniart kit. Oh, lots of detail in the instructions. That's nice. Oh, you've got to add your own little cords there, so you've got to bring your own. Yeah, it looks pretty, you know, very well explained. It won't be too hard to build. But yeah, I'd be interested to build it and see how it comes up. You get the photo etch option or the no photo etch option, which is good, depending what skill level you're at. It all starts to come together. They will be hard folds. Yeah, that spare wheel, I like that, how they've added that in. That's going to be cool because I'll marry this up with one of my trucks. Then you put the cannon together. Quite a few steps, aren't there? So we're up to step 32 already. Then you get and you put that photo etch in there, and you get all this together so they can be opened up and down. Put these side parts on, put it on. And then you get the actual side parts, whack them on. Bit of photo etch to go over the top. Get a few different options. Transport mode, oh yeah, so you cut that off and you put a little bit of photo etch on the front. That's cool. And then you get another couple more options, so that you're just finishing it off here, making the ammunition and how you paint the different ammunitions. And you've also got, so we've got unknown winter one, eastern front. We've got this one, the camouflaged with mud one in the Africa Corps. And on the back we've got a couple more Deutsch Africa Corps. And this really cool one. This is the one I'll probably do. Like the one on the front. So what should I pair it up with? I reckon this one. If I can pull it out without dropping all the other ones. Come on, there we go. Yeah, I reckon I'll match it up with this one. So steal the truck out of this, which is a really cool kit, and just use this one for another one, just so I can have that. I'll build this one as well. We'll build these two together, eh? See which one looks the best. But I did have a hankering to start working on this one, so we'll see. We'll see. But now that I'm looking at this, I might actually start working on this truck here. Pretty cool truck. And yeah, if I can marry this up with this, that'd be cool. And then I can just have this in a firing position. Because I've got two of these now. I've got another one with the truck as well. Yeah, just there. They're meant to be really good as well. And I've got a couple more of the really early ZIS 3 cannons, but they're not that good by Miniart. Yeah, got a few cool things. Yeah, heaps of stuff. Alright my friends, I hope you liked looking at the 75mm cannon. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, and I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye.